Today we're going to talk about domestic violence against women in Jamaica. What the hell one woman can do you, one 66-year-old woman that is your wife, can do you if you make you stab her multiple times? Come back and talk about it, man. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Check this out. Somebody just sent me one message and said, SouFlo, please do something on this because your channel is shot right now. Enough people are paying attention to it. And this is a topic that we need to put back on the table. What we are talking about? We are talking about me wake up this morning and go read the next story where say a 66-year-old woman was killed by her husband, stabbed multiple times. Now, for the whole week, right? I bear them a kind of headline me I read from last week actually. The youth will kill the girl and wrap her up in a chapalin and did not try push her over the gully. But people catch him, so he run and left it. We're talking about a next girl will get stabbed up, cut up, chop up. The people them say, it's like the man them possessing a Jamaica right now. It's like they're tired of, it's like the people them say them tired of hearing women get stabbed, shot, chopped, burned alive, all these things, right? After argument with a spouse or after someone tells someone, say, yo, the relationship is over, it's not working out, I want to leave. What is it that is going on in Jamaica to make the man them retaliate in this kind of a way? Alright? These are people that most of these women kind of know strange man. We just did a video and you can go check that video out on Brains and the Beat channel. We did a video together. So you're going to see me over there at Brains and the Beat. Alright, you're going to see me over there. I talk about mental illness in Jamaica. Because member said, madman run down people and chop them up recently in Jamaica. Right? We're talking about the one where they behead the girl, chop off her head clean, chop up her body. After I'm done, chop after her, run after a little youth and run after another woman and miss the two of them because them get where him end up run down a girl and catch her. A girl that him don't know that has nothing to do with him. And catch her and chop her up, right? So we're talking about mental illness in Jamaica on that level. This video though, we're talking about husband and boyfriend, lovers of these women. These are men that the women were once in love with. Now this woman you're talking about, a 66-year-old woman when married to her husband from God knows when. And to live to see 66 years of age and know say that your husband come stab you up multiple times. I cannot think of what the hell could she have done. I don't think no 66-year-old woman a give bun. And even if that did a go on, even if I give her, she a give her the 66-year-old something, in a warrant you tab up the woman multiple times and take away her life. So I can't figure out what it is unless she did stab him first, which the report does not say, right? Now let's talk about a couple of things that feed this kind of thing, okay? Let's talk about first, and get it out of the way. Let's talk about women that provoke the wrath, okay? So, I said before, and let me clear this up, get it out the way. Nothing that woman do to you warrants her being stabbed multiple times, being chopped up, being burnt with acid, gunshot, all these kinds of things. You're not to murder the woman no matter what. Take away yourself are the best solution. Now that's easier said than done. Let's talk about the women who provoke the wrath. One. Alright. So you have some woman out there, right? Where no say, and if you don't notice, you know, I argue this from many different angles. So stay with the reasoning. You have some women out there that know that they have a man that will get violent. Because from when the man choke you up and thump you in your face and kick you down step and all them something there, and you still stay with the man for all these years. Slowly the violence has progressed. Because when in the first meet, I used to be some pinch pan the quiet and some hey girl, wait till I reach the house, man, fuck you. And then it turned from that into it grew into people start notice say I beat you because I beat you on the veranda now. Then it gone from the veranda out in the street now till you run down the road sometime to save your life. And he might fling big stone after you and I tell you wait till you come back in here and you eventually go back in there. You know. A lot of these women know that they have a man that is violent, right? But them stay there and them provoke. First of all, your mistake is staying there. You stay there and you stay there for months. You stay there for weeks, months, and years, right? So me not care what the situation is, him pay all the bills. Poverty is something that is not nice, so you rather take a ass busting every now and then and live comfortably in the process than to go out there and struggle. That might be what it is, right? Whatever the case may be, some women stay around and then provoke the thing. And then provoke the thing. And I mean in provoke the thing, me mean say everybody have them triggers. And some women know say how to set the man off. So then press and press and press and press and poke and poke and poke till him can't take it no more. And the violent man that you have, knowing that he's violent, kick off on you one day. Mash up, chop up, gunshot, all these things, right? Don't do that, ladies. You know what kind of man you have. You know your situation better than I do. You know the reason why you stay. You know the reason why you get with them in the first place. You know the reason why you cannot leave or have not left yet. And all these things. I'm not judge your situation. I'm just telling you that if you are in one of these kinds of relationships, then you need to safeguard yourself at all times. Meaning you need to be cautious. Don't fan the flames to the fire because it will blaze up. And when it blaze up, and them kind of something will happen and then it'll make news. Okay? Now, let's talk about the man them who cannot control their anger and feel that it is okay to strike a woman or to control a woman. Right? Where you there? Where you going? Who you going with? When you coming back? Call me and FaceTime me when you reach where you go. When you're dep on the way. Yeah, man out there will tell the woman them so if you call them every 15 minutes or call them every hour on the hour. I want to see what in the background, so I want you put the camera phone, send me a picture which part you're there, who you are going, all these things. Why you're not back by the time you said you was going to be back by. Like, men, there are men out there that really feel like they have to control a woman to that degree. There are men out there that cannot control their anger, they cannot control their emotions, period, right? And it tend to be these kinds of men that end up stab up them woman, chop up them woman, choke her to death, wrap her up in a chapal in a one, drop her over gully, hide body and them kind of something there. Now, to speak to this part of the thing, me don't know if it's said to them kind of man here. All me can say is, brother, underneath you control your emotions better, right? Control your emotions better. Don't do, see, this stem from a lot of other things too. A lot of these cases is, you have them man there out there where do things them don't want them woman do to them, right? Like for instance, you have multiple girls, right? You have multiple women, but you're one bona fide where you call your wife, you know, she mustn't have nobody else. If the agreement is that you are not to have anybody else either, and you go out and have other people, then you are in violation of the agreement. Understand? So if you break the agreement, expect her to be able to either leave the relationship or break the agreement as well, which means she either gonna left you or she can have other man with you, right? Now, if your relationship is open to where the agreement is that you are a polygamist and you have more than one, and she agree and she no want a whole heap of man in her or something, then so be it, right? But according to the agreement of your relationship, at that one, enough of the time, enough of them man here, make them kind of agreement here with the woman them that this is going to be monogamous. Me and you only. I swear upon the Bible, I swear to God up in heaven, I swear them granny out of the grave that it's only me and you, babe. The woman is heartbroken when she dedicates herself to you and find out, say, enough girl you have on the road. And extra picnic out there and all them something there, right? So, when she decides that she's going to leave, you have to let the woman leave. You violated the contract of the agreement of the relationship. You have to let the woman leave. You can't kill off the woman and talk about, hey girl, you not left me, you know. Only way you left me if you're dead. And them kind of something there. No other man can get you, you know. And them kind of something there. Let the woman go. Let her go. Alright? Control your emotions. You will get a next one. Matter of fact, no for no have more than one. So just wife up one next one of the one them way up on the side. And let the woman go. You don't have to take her life. Now let's talk about breaking down the stereotypes. The stereotypes, for example, a man is supposed to be hard and callous, and a man doesn't need as much what I'm saying now. A man don't need as much affection as a woman does. A man don't need him hug up on him, kiss up on him, baby, I love you, and him rub down him head and, you know me, I say caressing and them thing there. Women, man need them something there too, right? This whole notion that we're supposed to be tough and rough and act like gorilla and just box down and kick down and box down and kick down and come through and yeah man, some man, I'm like it like that. That's not really human, okay? Men are just as human as women are, and men need the same things that women need as far as emotional gratification goes. You understand? So, this whole, the man have to be callous thing, this whole, hey boy, Jamaicans have a thing like this. Oh, you chat so much, eh? A fish that, you know, see him run him mouth, or bat him on, you know, because him chat so much. Intelligent people or people that have a lot to say, you don't even have to be intelligent. People that have a lot to say, them tend to talk a lot, right? So this has nothing to do with sex. Women supposed to talk more than man. In Jamaica, this is a big thing though, right? So I'm chat so much. I be a chat, the boy I chat, you know, run off him out like him or some girl, you know, and them thing and rah, rah, rah. When you do that, what you're doing is, take it from me, what you're doing is you're forcing an individual to bottle stuff up emotionally. So them bottle stuff up, them suppress it, them suppress it, them suppress it. And one day, when it come up and explode, it tend to explode on you. And then the end result of that is not so nice. So even these stereotypes that are interwoven into our culture, we have to start to get rid of. Make the man them talk out them mind, man, when time you hear them a talk. It better than him have stuff bottled up inside of him and him go grab a knife and stab you 22 times. Because trust me, 22 stab is an overkill. That is emotional. And any crime scene investigator or crime scene forensic investigator will tell you that 22 stabs to one individual, some shit is bottled up in there that needed to come out and it came out in the wrong doggone way. I don't know. To answer the question, what is going on with the men in Jamaica and why them a kill the woman them like this, I don't know. Okay? I don't know what's going on with them, but I just touched on a few topics here, a few headliners that I would like for you to reiterate in the comment section below in this video. Fix up yourself, Jamaica. We're beautiful Jamaica, right? SouFLoTV here again, man, at your service. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I am out of here. Peace.